guys, this is Shreya and welcome back to my channel. So please ignore the background, and today I am back with another vlog, and this is going to be the first vlog after the lockdown where I am going out of station, and it's going to be very interesting. So come with me and have fun. And now it's around 4 and we are going to the station at 5 o'clock. So our cab will arrive at that time and then I'll show you the Tatanagar station. So stay tuned and I will going to have lots of fun in Puri. And yeah, that's it. Let's enjoy, and you'll also enjoy with the video. And please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and do share it with your friends. So let's start with the video. Yes, this vlog is going to be a super fun vlog, so make sure you first subscribe and then enjoy the video nicely and calmly and without any disturbance, because it's going to be a very interesting vlog. So let's go. So guys, so this is the OTT of the day. Mask and puffy jacket, this defected jeans, and yes, just socks. And yes, we are ready to go. Next, I'm going to meet you at the station. So let's go. So yes, मैं टाटानगर स्टेशन नहीं दिखा पाई because of the very heavy traffic in the early evening time. And yes, but I think I'll not be able to show because while coming also it will be so much bheed only. So yeah, that's it. But you can see the station because our station is also very beautiful, and if you want to see us Tatanagar station, it's the very beautiful place. You can Google it. So there we go, our train has arrived and our train was, I think, 1.5 hours late. So yeah, that's it. And here I was listening music, so I thought to make a short video there. So yeah. So now we are very close to Puri and only half an hour is left to reach there. So we'll meet you there after a 9 hours long a tiring journey. So let's go. Yes, finally, guys, we have reached Puri, and this is the Puri junction. And we have, as our coach was in very much back, so we have to walk a long distance, around 2 to 3 kilometers. And yeah, and I'm super excited because we have reached Puri and we are going to have a lot of fun here. And here I'm walking with all the luggage, I mean 2 to 3 luggage, and my sister was jumping at the side. So yeah, that's it. And now let's walk to the outway. So here you can see the beautiful roadside of the Puri, because when we were reaching to the seaside, it was beautifully decorated. Walls were there, some more were there, but I was not able to record there. And there most probably you cannot see cab, you will see much auto and things called Toto. So yeah, it's that, and it's very beautiful. The streets are very beautiful. So now we'll enjoy a lot because we have reached our destination, and there we go. So there you can see we have reached the seaside. There only our hotel was there, so we have to go from there itself. And this is the first view of the sea, and you will be able to see more seas also. More sea, I mean not that, more when we will go to the sea, so you'll be definitely able to see there. And there the temperature was not so much as the Jamshedpur, but there was cold, but not that much. So yeah, that's it. বাপ রে, কত বড় ঢেউটা উঠালো। So yeah, now you saw the sunrise, and here we were watching the sunrise at the early morning sunrise, because I think this was my first time to see it from a beach, because it was looking very much beautiful. And this is my mama, and this is my chotu sister, who was just doing time pass. See the thing she's doing. Well, I told her, but still. Yeah, I remember, these are the shops. Those were closed at the morning, but I'll show you the shops at the evening also, in the morning also. And yeah, after a long and tiring journey of around 9.5 hours to 10 hours, we finally reached Puri. And seeing all the sunrise and all in the sea beach, we finally reached our room. And now we'll freshen up first, and then we are going to visit the Jagannath temple, and I'll show you the outside part, but inside part the phones are not allowed, so I'll not be able to record that. So yes, and we are going to visit more places, and 4 days we'll have very much fun. So come with me and have lots of fun. And yes, subscribe if you haven't still done. Bye bye, see you next. See such more travel vlogs with me. So yes, now we have reached to Jagannath temple, and this is the Jagannath temple. You can see this is very big, like a Raj Mahal, and it's very beautiful. All white marble work and white stones. And this is the Dhwaja, and this I will show it more clearly in the second vlog. This is the first vlog as, and this is the entrance. This is the kitchen, the biggest kitchen of the world of the god. And yes, that's it. You can see this, and that is the entrance that you can see. There are 2 entrances, and this is the back one. The front one I was not able to record because phones are not allowed, as I told it earlier also. And yeah, that's it. This is another exit type thing that you have to watch your leg here, and then you have to go from here to the entrance part. And this is the main exit door. This is very beautiful, by the way. So yeah, enjoy the view. Yes, I would like to say the whole temple is very, very, very beautiful, and that was the garden of the temple. And here you can see we are going inside, and it's a very long way inside to go. So yeah, the most awaited thing is there. We are going to the beach, and this is the local market, and you can see the streets of Puri also. They were very much crowded, and all these are, you can see, the local markets, and all these were very beautiful, and beautiful pieces of bag and all were there. They were like seriously very beautiful. They all were handwork and hand printed thing. And this is the view of the market that I showed you in the morning, and this is the evening part of the market as well. And these markets are very beautiful. These are the things that we get inside the market, and the bags, gods frame, earrings, jewelry items, like many things, and food also we get. With the like very famous thing of there is, the best food item is there is roasted fishes. The fishes are really very delicious. If you visit Puri, you should once visit you should once eat the fishes also. They are very beautiful, very tasty. And there I am. The waves at the evening were also looking very, very beautiful. And this is the sea beach at the evening. I'll show you the morning one also. So yeah, this someone has made a beautiful sand art of Rabindranath Tagore, Shri Rabindranath Tagore, in the sand. So yeah, that was the camel that I saw. First time I saw the camel in the beach that day. Now I've reached home, but still. So I would like to say that you should once visit the Puri. It's a very beautiful place and a very relaxing place to visit once. And yeah, that's it of the video. I'll post another vlog, so keep watching my videos. Do like, share and subscribe. I'll get you in my next video. Till then, stay